Hi, today I'm going to demonstrate what happens when you put calcium carbide into regular water. Now, when you first open this up, you pour some into your hand. Basically, it just looks like a bunch of rocks. Okay? Doesn't look dangerous at all. Looks like a little pebbles out of your driveway or something. But if you put them into water, they create a very flammable and explosive gas. Very dangerous. I would not recommend dealing with this anywhere near humidity, water, anything. It looks innocent, but it definitely is not. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.